Let's start with metals, which have seen a good gain happen in case of LME today thanks to positive employment data out of US on Friday. It also is the weak US dollar which has been supportive, and there you can see most of those metals trading in the positive on LME and the Indian exchanges as well. Meanwhile, steel prices are also moving up following expectations of demand in coming days, and we have seen some gains happen into that sector as well. For more on the same, on where the prices could be going, we are joined by ET Now's Nidhi Sharma. Nidhi, hi. You have spoken to some traders in the markets here. What are they telling you? Where the prices could be headed from here? We have seen nearly 600 rupees of gains come up in the last week itself.
Manisha, today also prices, they close 1% up. Short-term outlook is looking positive. Prices can touch 26,000 levels, and in medium term they can touch 27,000 levels. Now most of the prominent steel producers like SAIL, Tata Steel, JSW, Ispat, they have already hiked the prices of their flat steel products, and following which even secondary producers are increasing the prices of their long products. Demand is expected to come from construction sector with the end of monsoon. Also automobile industry is doing well. Consistently demand is coming from that, and that has led to major hike in prices. Globally, if you see, there are supply concerns. A major province of China, Hebei, that has shut down 57 plants, leading to production concern and led to spike in Chinese prices also. Landed cost of steel is still expensive from China, giving enough room to local producers to increase the prices. So yes, prices expected to look green in coming days. Manisha?